today. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here finally the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. Okay, this is a first look on this new smartwatch from ZD3. Okay, and obviously it is using the ZD3 Support App. Okay, this is the first video review for the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. So as you can see here on the graphics, it looks like a premium smartwatch. Okay, so we have a lot of features here. Okay, and it is using the ZD3 app. Okay, on the box, so there's nothing. Okay, more, or there's no detailed information on the smartwatch. Okay, except for the model, we have the ZD3 ZD3 Plus. So we are going to check. Okay, we'll have an unboxing of this wearable and see some of the features as well as the specs of this new smartwatch. Again, this is the ZD3 ZD3 Plus. So if you have any questions regarding the video review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, I guess we're ready now. So let's check. Okay, let's open the box. If I'm not mistaken, I guess this is the first look of the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. Okay, when it comes to detailed review, unboxing of this wearable. Okay, so again, this is a beautiful looking smartwatch. Okay, that is using the ZD3 support app. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, so far it has a decent packaging, similar to other ZD3 smartwatches as well as DT #1 smartwatches. Okay, so quality packaging. Okay, so let's see the inside. I'm so excited. And we have the contents here. Design it for building an amazing lifestyle. And we have the smartwatch. Okay, so this one, what's this? I guess this is the strap. Okay, seems like we do have at least two strap here. Interchangeable strap. Wow, I like this one. It's a leather strap, premium leather strap. And we have here a sport silicone strap with a steel buckle. The same with this one. As you can see here, it looks premium. Okay, I'm excited to attach this. And we have the user manual. Okay, in English language. And let's see if there's a... Okay, we do have a Chinese language here. And we have the wireless charging cable here. Okay, again, we have the strap. We have at least two straps here. We have a free strap, okay, a leather strap, and a silicone strap. We have the wireless charging cable and the user manual. And of course, okay, we have the smartwatch. Okay, so okay, we do have a brush finish, obviously. Okay, it looks premium and it feels premium. ZD3 made in China. So it is a heart rate. Okay, so this is the back cover here, and we have a metal body. Okay, sports watch. Okay, brush finish here. It's a beautiful looking smartwatch. We have a crown button and a rectangular shape physical button here. Okay, so beautiful looking smartwatch so far. Okay, so let's attach this strap. Okay, so I'm more interested on the leather strap. Okay, let's remove this first. Okay, do hope we can attach it this easily. Okay, will it snap? Nope. And Okay, that's it. Okay, sturdy. And the other one, oops, wait, let's do it again. So I guess, yes, we have successfully attached the strap. Okay, as you can see here, it has a brush finish. We do have a grayish black color here. It is a premium looking smartwatch. Okay, so let's check on the specs of this wearable. Okay, so we have AX chip, Apple iOS and 10.0 and above. For Android, I think. Okay, for Android is 4.4 and above. For Apple iOS 10.0 and above. Okay, for the display here, okay, 1.5 inch full round screen, 485 by 485 pixel resolution. We have, okay, 38 grams stainless steel IML. Okay, let's check on the weight here. Of course, we do have here a weighing scale, so let's check it out. Okay, 0.0, so we have at least 52.96. I guess without the strap, it is around 30 to 40 grams. Okay, also let's check the dimension. For the thickness here, without the, okay, sensor, so it is around 14, oh no, it's around 8, okay, or 9 millimeter. About here for the frame, so it is around 44 millimeter in size. Okay, so let's check all the details on the smartwatch. Okay, so Zordi ZD3 Plus, new interaction, new experience. As you can see here, it has 159 sports mode, fully upgraded, more powerful features. So high definition Retina screen, we'll check on that. Okay, free watch faces, IP68 dust and water resistance. Okay, let's check. Okay, 7 days battery life here, 60 days standby time. That is very long standby time. 2 months, that's very good. Okay, we have notifications here. What else? Alipay offline payment, and IP68 water resistance. We do have an ECG, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, and of course 159 sports mode. Okay, so let's have a preview of its screen and menus. I guess this is the power button here. Let's check. We still have power left. Okay, thankfully we do have a power left on the wearable. Okay, so let's adjust this. Okay, screen here. Okay, so we have a beautiful screen here. As you can see, very slim black border. Okay, it's almost non-existent here. Okay, again, the size of the screen display. What's the size of the screen display? Let's check. So 1.5 inch with a 485 by 485 pixel resolution. So that is a very sharp screen display, and obviously as you can see here, okay, so we have split screen On the side we have the menus here, shortcut to the different menus. Okay, on the bottom part, and we have the menus. Let's see if this thing works. Okay, so the crown button here works. Phone book, call records, data, sports. Okay, and how about this one? Let's see. Okay, so this is for the sports function. Okay, so we have a lot of sports functions here. Okay, I guess it is categorized into different category. Okay, so far we are impressed with the ZD3 Plus smartwatch. Okay, this is the first detailed review of the specs and design of this smartwatch. Okay, next video we are going to check on the different menus and features of the smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.